Whatever your reason may be for wanting to hide your photos, the information provided in this video is guaranteed to show you how to easily, yet effectively hide photos on your iPhone. How to hide iPhone photos with built-in photo hiding feature. Step 1. Open default image app, access albums or camera roll. Step 2. Open the photo you wish to hide and tap on the selected image, and hold it until you are provided with an action menu. Step 3. Confirm, hide photo to complete. How to hide photos on iPhone by cropping. Step 1. Choose the image, tap Edit, then Crop. Step 2. Adjust the cropping box to select a small portion. Step 3. Save the cropped image as desired. How to backup iPhone photos to PC. If you failed to hide photos on iPhone, you can try to backup photos from iPhone camera roll to PC. Then delete these photos on iPhone directly. To reach it, you need the help from Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It works well as the best iPhone photo backup tool. Top-rated apps to hide pictures on iPhone x876s6. SpyCalc. This is an iOS app that can be used to hide private images. SpyCalc is disguised as a calculator, is programmed to reveal the hidden images. My Secret folder. This is another great app that can be used to hide all your private photos.